everyone, welcome to RC Camping and Crawling. Today we're at this beautiful beach. We've got the Chevy K10 Traxxas TRX4M, cup of coffee, scrap build, and bear spray. Because this is definitely bear country. So I'm gonna try to get some fun videos here. Not a ton of crawling, but yeah, see if we can get some good shots. Try to go just up that hill there. Not that steep, but it should make some good shots in there, good lighting. My bear spray with me. Fortunately, you can see how far away my coffee is now. It's okay. All right, made it to the top now. I'll head back down to the more official park beach trail here, and I'll see if I can get some more shots of this truck in the water. It looks really good with the lighting against the water, so go head down this path. We'll do that now. Alright everyone, that does it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these clips of this TRX4M K10 High Trail. I love this truck, it drives nice, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Until then, enjoy these last few shots.